Heading back to Queens today. Check out another park with another famous sign. All right, I got off the subway in Queens. Not sure exactly where I am. Oh, never mind. Let's go find the park. So today we're going to Gantry Plaza State Park, which is along the river in Queens. It seems like a kind of big park for what it is. It's actually along a good portion of the river right across from Manhattan. So we should have some good views of the skyline. I decided to start this whole thing by walking through the neighborhood and then popping out at the top of the park and then walking back down along the river through the park. Let's do it. Just turned the corner and immediately Skyline popped out in front of me. Pretty cool. There's a lot to look at over here. We've got Roosevelt Island right there. You can see the ruins of the smallpox hospital there. Over here is that Four Freedoms Park for FDR, Queensboro Bridge, Ed Koch Bridge. And of course, this is all Midtown. We got the UN right there. Pretty good view. Not sure why there's a hole there. Why not, I guess. This is one of the ferry stops. So I could have taken the ferry over here, but then you're operating on the ferry schedule, which doesn't run quite as often as the subway. There you go, Pepsi. There used to be a Pepsi bottling plant somewhere around here, and the original sign was installed in 1940. I think I just read that it blew over in 1993, but it was repaired and replaced, and it's a historic landmark now and all that stuff. But anyway, it's a pretty cool view from Manhattan. It's iconic, it's part of history here, and it's big. Another shoot? Maybe they're famous. I don't know. Probably not. I mean, any Yahoo can have a camera these days. Nice looking playground back there. And fantastic views of the skyline. This is great. It's a beautiful day too, so that helps. Like I think I said in the last video, there's so many tall buildings that are being built now that are blocking out the old standards. You can just see the Chrysler building poking out on the side there, but you got one Vanderbilt that's right next to it that's taller than it and now blocks its view from most places. Empire State Building's back there behind those buildings, but it's blocked out by all the super talls that are over here now. And you got this new construction that's over here, that's a new Chase building, and it's gonna be the tallest building in Midtown now. It's just crazy how tall they are now. And it really is a shame that they're all blocking out the old standards, because the Chrysler, Empire State, they're all beautiful, and they're getting harder to see. We're moving south. We'll keep going this way. I think these might be for hammocks. That'd be cool. I think those might be bathrooms over there. It's all making sense now. So these are the gantries for the old ferry, and you can see the polished stones in the ground here that represent the tracks. This used to be a ferry that would transport trains across the river back in the day. Pretty cool. It all makes sense now. Gantry Plaza State Park. Got it. Over on this one, they got actual rails. pretty out here. Kind of nice being on a dock on the river. Beautiful weather. And then these gantries are pretty cool up close. Old industrial stuff again. More tulips. I love it. There they are, old friends. As I've gotten further south, the view to them is opening up. We got some nice open space. More beach volleyball. This park is so long, we've got another NYC ferry stop in it. I always love these little bits of nature in the middle of the big city. I'm not sure what this is, but that means I need to go down and find out. I'm still not really sure where I am or what this is down here, but it is a really nice trail by the river. A great view. I'll have to go out and go back up there and see what's going on. I mean, I'm assuming I can get out if I keep walking this way. I think I can. We'll see though. And now we're far enough down that we can see the Williamsburg Bridge there. This was a cool little trail. I hit the end of the trail, so I'll go back this way. This time we'll go up and try to go to that thing that was sticking out. Well, I don't think it's anything more than a nice lookout spot, and it is nice. Look out. When I'm recording these, I'm walking around fast, I'm thinking constantly, and I'm looking around for things to shoot. But sometimes, like here, it's weird to just stop for a minute and remind myself that I'm actually here. I'm in New York. I'm looking at this skyline. It's pretty amazing. If you live here, I hope you appreciate it. If you don't live here, I hope you visit. It's a pretty cool city. It's not just a cool city, there's really no other city like it. It's amazing. All right, what a nice park. Beautiful day. I'm getting hungry already though. I'm gonna head back to the subway. Okay, pause on the way out to point out we're actually in a different park for the second half of this. We're at Hunters Point South Park. So 2 parks for the price of 1. Beautiful. Now we'll head home. I'm back up to the east side after another nice little trip. If you like what I'm doing here, be sure to check out all the rest of the episodes already on the channel. Spread the word, and please subscribe. I'll see you next time.